I'm Liz from the Singapore Women's Weekly, and I'm here with Saskia Havakis, who is the founder of Grandiflora in Sydney.
Hello, hi, I'm Saskia, and I'm here to show you a few very simple arrangements that you can do in your home. Very simple vase today, so just in a lovely plain cylinder, which you can never go wrong with. We're starting with Magnolia Grandiflora foliage. We are placing it in the vase for structure, so the Magnolia has really good, what I call bones, so it gives you a very nice solid shape. I would add a little bit of Ruscus. It's got a really long lyrical shape, so it's very unruly and very wispy, which gives it a little bit more poetry. So adding those into the vase just to give it a little bit of volume. Cut the ends of the stems so that they're open to taking in fresh water. Putting a lovely little joyful berry in with the flowers gives it a really beautiful shape that's more trailing. So we sort of have a more upright shape with the Ruscus, and then we have more of a trailing movement with the beautiful little Juniper Berry. It's always good to clean up the base of flowers from foliage because they tend to make the water go a little bit rancid. So if you can strip a lot of the foliages off your flowers, it does give a lot more longevity. So placing those sort of closer to the Magnolia just to give a good shape to place some flowers in amongst and onto those leaves. So what I would say, creating a little collar for the flowers. Way we can put something like a piece of lovely Hydrangea, this one's been stripped of its leaves just to make it look a lot cleaner, and then I can place that into the arrow leaf, so giving it the illusion of being almost its natural leaf when it's not. Maybe put a little bit of the white Hydrangea as well, just to lighten it up even more. So we're sticking with the white and green, very, very beautiful fresh palette. Can never ever go wrong with white and green. Placing that in almost above the Hydrangea, so just that layering to give it a bed or a pillow underneath to sort of give it some support. We have a lovely little white Amaranthus, which is quite an unusual shape, something that's unexpected. A nice talking point. Probably be nice to put a very elegant stem of Phalaenopsis Orchid. That's going to need some support, so I'm just sort of weaving that through so that it can tuck amongst the other flowers. And it doesn't matter if you cover some of the other blooms. It encourages people to have a journey with the flowers, to make it more curious. Something like a Lisianthus, I would clean up quite a few of these leaves just so that it's not so bushy. And this has got a really lovely shape. I've got room there in the edge just to add an extra element and just to make the vase feel really firm. And some Trachelium. So this is really beautiful because it looks a little bit almost velvety. This is a textural flower, so it's something that it's not the most glamorous flower, but it just gives other flowers a little bit of texture. So just for a bit of layering. To put your finger down into the vase, and while you're filling, you can feel the water hit the top of your finger, so you know you filled it high. And last but not least, a little Scabiosa bloom just for the finishing touch. And there we have it.